Are you tired of bank customer service that feels like a trip back to the 1990s? Long call queues, branch visits, and confusing bureaucracy? Monzo burst onto the scene promising to change all that, putting your bank in your pocket. The app experience? Top tier. The budgeting features? Game-changing. But when it comes to the crunch, how does Monzo's customer service actually stack up? That's what we're digging into today. For a digital bank like Monzo, customer service is the branch. It's primarily handled via their 24/7 in-app chat. When Monzo first launched, their support was legendary, fast, personal, and genuinely helpful. Stories of hot coral cards being rushed to customers abroad were common. It set an impossibly high bar. So, where are we now? The truth is, reviews are mixed. For simple, non-urgent queries, many users report quick responses and a positive experience. The team is accessible and deals well with basic issues like lost cards or app functionality. This is where Monzo still shines, leveraging that 24/7 digital availability. However, the bank has grown exponentially, and with that scale, things have gotten tricky. For complex issues, particularly those involving account freezes, fraud, or chargebacks, the experience can become frustrating. Response times, while often fast for urgent matters, can reportedly stretch to hours or even days for less critical cases. Users frequently describe a feeling of being passed between multiple agents or receiving automated, copy-paste answers that don't address the core problem. The lack of a consistently effective, immediate phone line for all issues is keenly felt when you need a human right now. In essence, Monzo's customer service feels like a tale of two banks. When the system works, it's modern, efficient, and what you expect from a tech-forward company. When you encounter a snag, especially one that requires specialist intervention, the digital-only model can feel like a wall. Ultimately, Monzo offers convenience and excellent self-service tools that reduce the need for support. But if your problem goes beyond the simple fix, be prepared for a journey that might test your patience. It's a trade-off many modern banks are struggling with: how to scale human-quality service with digital efficiency. What's your Monzo customer service story? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.